Next
So
level.
ये डॉक्टर है जो सबके हेल्प करते हैं all that I know. But then he really likes my hairstyle, guys. अभी तो मैं सो के उठाऊँ. But then after a while I'll get ready. But then right now I want he should get ready. And then we're gonna help him out. We're gonna help him style and we'll put the picture out there and it will be credited that hair and makeup from. So hair look by Pranav Akshay. See you guys. So stay tuned. Guys, first we have to try it. Properly from back as well. Because hair are never good when they're
जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था, मैं स्कूल जाता था, तो मम्मी मेरी ऐसी कमी करती थी, राजा बेटा बना देती थी, सामने बाल साइड में.
We'll always start with the back portion, okay? So like this. The reason why we are doing from back is because of the volume to the hair, so that it should look very fluffy and nice. And from here we are going to take this end and we are going to go like this. Devar, can you help me, bro? Can you hold this? नहीं ऐसे थोड़ा दूर जहाँ पर मैं ये जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पर ही you fuck off, you don't know how to do it. Then we turn this on. So the equality is there. Then we always take the side one, put them down, and then take them up. Circular motion. Then we finally take the last, let it get dry, and then take it on the top. Softly, gently. Because सबसे ज़्यादा जो हमारे बाल झड़ते हैं, only and only because of the way we put the heat on our hair. And then finally we do proper and all the time. Alright, so guys, now it's done almost, but now you can see that we have a bounce, we have everything. you know, not even if he plays how many times, it's still gonna be like that. But to make it hold for harder duration and, you know, like to make a great and lovely hold that in parties right now for New Year, anything, it should be like this. So there's only one thing which I apply. This is my favorite. I don't want to name it, guys, because this is a secret and it's fucking magical. Abhineet will tell you what it is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to apply it here. So there's a way of applying even hairspray. You know, soft, huh? Gentle. So what you have to do, Sevak, I'll spray वहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा सा मारना है. Okay? So for example, सर तू जाके ले, जो भी लेने ले, सारा कुछ कहे, डॉक्यूमेंट दी. Alright guys, so after this, you can make it here. Guys, the aroma it has, it's amazing. It smells so good.
लोगों को प्रोडक्ट का नाम भी बता ही दो, शायद परेशान हो जाएंगे. लास्ट में बताएंगे.
लास्ट में इसलिए बताएंगे because we want पहले Abhineet should feel how it smells. Now what I'll do is, since you can see there's a volume, but then if we see his hair, his face, it's looking little ovalish, right? So I need to make it look more like a cinematic, like a photogenic face, right? Because that's the only reason why we get dressed up. Why we, dressed up, because we want to click pictures, we want to look good. People should, accomplish us and they should compliment us. So this is one of the reasons we are doing this. So after this, I know guys, this is a little hard, but then if you really want to look fucking amazing, you have to do this. Now I will not apply anything here as of now. I'll just apply it here on the top. The reason, because this part is the part which consumes a lot of air. This part. That's it. It's done. Now, according to the look, since we're going for a party right now, we need to be really like a stylish and going in a way that it should look wow. Like, can you show me? The hairstyle should look different. It should look wow, and it should not bounce back. It should be like on the top. कि ऐसे ही सेट कर दिया और ऐसे ही रहे.
इसका होल्ड कितने घंटे रहेगा?
It's till the time you don't wash it. 2 दिन, 3 दिन. आंधी, तूफान, कुछ भी आए guys. This is the spray. I don't want to promote it, guys, but I'm just telling you since Abhineet is a very good friend and he's a doctor. So this is the product which I use. It's fucking amazing. Trust me, guys. अभी मैं ready नहीं हुआ. But once I'll get ready, I'll send you the picture.
वीडियो बनाएंगे ना?
उसका वीडियो बनाएंगे and trust me, guys, and it's gonna be so good because मेरे को 5 मिनट लगते हैं क्योंकि अपने बालों पे आदत हो जाती है and फिर उसके बाद तो लोग बोलेंगे अरे यार क्या करवाया आपने. Okay, so this is almost done, guys, but I want him should look very good. Just a little bit of soft, and guys, it's fucking good to go. And now, trust me, just look at his all the dimensions. And trust me, guys, just show the side face. Just look at it, guys. Show the side. And can you see these knots? I've done it purposely so it looks sexy. It looks great. Now, can you show it from behind? You can see, and it's gonna be the best quality is the shine. It's gonna be the same shine all the time. No, it is because it is looking like a proper face. मतलब वो ऐसे लग रहा है कि wow. And with air, obviously when you apply some air, I'll show you. You apply a little bit of air. You have to like this.
सेटिंग हेयर स्टाइल चाहिए तो जरान बख्शी को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कीजिए। और ही इज़ अ सेलिब्रिटी, ही इज़ अ एंकर और भी शोज में भी आए हैं और ही इज़ माय वेरी गुड फ्रेंड।
बट मैं नहाया नहीं हूँ अभी गाइस, मैं सो के उठाऊँ, I'll get ready and you can see me on
उसके बाद में वापस हम लोग वीडियो बनाएंगे।
See you guys, bye guys, take care.
You know, we are meeting after long time. You know, after 1 and 2 years.